Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Waken Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Temu app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temu application on your device and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page, from which, if you wish to change your language, then you can tap on the U icon at the bottom. You will then be taken to your profile page, from which you can tap on settings at the top right corner to end up in the settings menu. Within this page, you will find the language option underneath country and region. Simply tap on this and you will be shown the various languages available for that region. If you don't see the language that you wish, then you will need to tap on the country and region option to change your country and region. Once you change your country and region to your desired location, you will also find the languages from that region within the language section. And all you need to do is tap on your desired language from this section, and then your application will restart and the language will be changed as well. You can come back to the settings menu at any time and change your language as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Temu app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.